Hey, what's going on? Opening up another Amazon mystery box. Cost me $37.50. Wait a minute. I bought a pallet of boxes from Amazon. There's 24 boxes for $900. Comes out to $37.50 a box. You can triple your money, even more. But let's open it up and see what we have. Alright, first thing we have is a back scrubber. I don't know. Next thing we have 1, 2, 3. It says flower pots. I have no idea what these are about. Oh, it's a pop-up card. Okay. Next item. We have a Big Grid 2021 calendar. Next item. A phone case. I can't read the writing, it's too small to read, but for a small phone. Okay, let's keep going. We have I don't know what these are. Let me look that up. These boxes are really worth it, what you buy. Everything's brand new. Hardly any returns. The only downside is when you get food or coffee or tea, sometimes it's out of date and you got to throw it away. Alright, these are a 2-pack door collars with removable bow tie, cute floral breakaway door collar, heavy duty, adjustable, blah blah blah. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. All right, now next thing we have is a cushion cover. Next item, a mystery box in a mystery box. 3-count, I don't know, I can't really read that stuff. Oh, Christmas lights. I think they're Christmas. My mother used to have those a long time ago. Next thing we have is a puzzle, 500-piece Spilsbury premium puzzle. Hot air balloon with a few guys hanging on for their lives. The next item. An egg-shaped stand to hold up your laptop, I guess. I don't know. Ridiculous. We have Country Living salt and pepper shaker set. So this is salt and pepper. Next item. Something about training. Let me open it up and see. I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's a fanny pack. It looks like a nice one, not like a, I don't know. But it's a fanny pack. I think that's what they still call them. Alright, next item. I grabbed 2 things out of there, so I have no idea. Plastic dividers, 8 tabs, 1 set. I have no idea what this is. Next item. Again, I have no idea. I'm going to have to open it up. You know what? I'll scan it. See if I can scan it. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't. It is a kid's apron with pockets. Okay. Nothing exciting. This is open and I have no idea what these are. Something to do with the puppy, I guess. Doesn't really say what it is. Size medium. All right. We have a ruler for a, you know, when they do the clothes to measure shirts and whatnot. Oh, there it is, fell out. And then a plastic ruler. That's in there. So. Again, nothing exciting yet. Another salt and pepper shaker. We have I don't know what this is. To reorder. Labels. Avery. I don't know. Bunch of them though. Well, this is a 5D. Make pictures or something out of them with pins or whatever. Another phone case. Another phone case. Incense cones, white sag. Sage, I'm sorry, sage. I have no idea what this is about. Unless your house is haunted and you burn it. I don't know. It looks like I'm missing 3 boxes out of that box. Alright, next item. More sage. So if anybody has a haunted house, come over and I'll sell this to you. Next item, another fanny pack. And another fanny pack. We're killing it today. I have no idea what this is, guys. A storage activity, a toy storage, it says. Toy storage. Alright, another phone case. Tattoo lipstick, rose red. Some Halloween stuff. Looks like a ghost. There are a couple of ghosts. Maybe there's 2 of them in there. Another phone case. I can't give these things away. Look at this. Another ghost. And some balloons. All right, a few more items left, guys. A flashlight glove. Phone case. Phone case. Halloween stuff, I have no idea. Maybe handkerchiefs. I don't know. Let me see. And another ghost. Alright, that's it for that box, guys. Like it, hit the like button, the bell button, share it. My eBay store will be on the bottom of this. Alright, see you guys later.